ये देखें हमारा ऑनलाइन ट्रैकिंग सिस्टम बोर्ड वेलकम मैसेज देता हुआ एंड दिस इज द 2 टॉयलेट इंडिकेटर्स, CCTV कैमरास एंड अलार्म्स. Bottle. This is the modern type bottle holder.
Here is a socket for laptop charging, mobiles, etc. For convenience.
This is the air purifier and seat number are printed in lights. You can see this coffee vending machine is fitted in this train for passengers take hot coffee on their during the journey anytime. The type of door system, you can see this, just pull and open.